In the realm of coffee aficionados, the Famiworths iced coffee maker emerges as a compact yet powerful addition to your morning routine. Designed for both convenience and customization, this coffee maker ensures your day starts with the perfect cup, whether you crave a steaming hot brew or a refreshing iced delight. This review delves into the features that make the Famiworths iced coffee maker a game changer, enticing you to indulge in a coffee experience like never before. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications, and here's why you need it. Versatile brewing options for your unique taste. Say goodbye to monotony with the Famiworths iced coffee maker, a versatile companion that caters to your every coffee whim. Brew your favorite K-pods or ground coffee effortlessly, allowing you the freedom to experiment with flavors and textures. Whether it's a robust hot cup to kickstart your day or a crisp iced coffee to refresh your senses, this coffee maker is your all-in-one solution. Deep coffee extraction technology for perfect iced coffee. Experience the art of coffee extraction with the Famiworths deep coffee extraction technology. Press the regular button, and within a mere 4 minutes, savor a rich, hot cup of coffee that transcends your morning ritual. Transition seamlessly to iced coffee by using just 6 ounces of water for the best flavor when using pods. An innovation that ensures your iced coffee is as flavorful as it is refreshing. Eco-friendly brewing with reusable ground filter. Concerned about the environmental impact of single-use pods, the Famiworths iced coffee maker addresses this with an eco-friendly approach. A large reusable ground filter capable of holding 25 grams of ground coffee provides a bolder flavor compared to pods. The added cap prevents any coffee grounds from affecting the smoothness of your cup, offering you an environmentally conscious and economically savvy brewing option. Compact design for any space, anywhere, in a world where kitchen space is a premium. The Famiworths iced coffee maker stands out with its compact and slim design. It seamlessly fits into any small space on your countertop, ensuring it doesn't overshadow your kitchen aesthetics. Additionally, it accommodates a 6.7-inch tall travel mug, making it the perfect companion for those on the go. Take your delicious coffee wherever life leads you. Hassle-free cleaning with self-cleaning and descaling reminder. Bid farewell to the hassle of meticulous cleaning routines. The Famiworths iced coffee maker comes equipped with a self-cleaning function and a descaling reminder. The built-in descaling reminder ensures you're notified promptly, and when it's time, a simple press of 2 buttons initiates the self-cleaning process. Enjoy the luxury of a pristine coffee maker without the stress of constant maintenance. Health and safety at the forefront. Your health and safety matter, and the Famiworths iced coffee maker reflects this commitment. Crafted from BPA-free materials and designed with a smaller water tank, each brew utilizes the full amount of water, ensuring the water is consistently clean for a fresher and higher quality coffee. The automatic shut-off feature adds an extra layer of safety, turning off the coffee maker after brewing, even when you're in a hurry. In conclusion, the Famiworths iced coffee maker isn't just a coffee machine, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Elevate your daily brew experience with a compact, versatile, and eco-friendly companion that brings the joy of customized coffee to your fingertips. Indulge in the perfect cup, tailored to your unique taste, with Famiworths. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.